In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your location on your Whop profile in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want a little more privacy on your public profile and you do not want other users seeing your city or country. We'll go step by step, and by the end, your location will show as hidden. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, sign into your account at whop.com. Once you are logged in, make sure you are on your home feed. This is important because the profile settings are easiest to access from there. Now look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. This will open your account options and take you closer to your profile settings. Next, find the gear icon located directly to the right of your username and click it. This will take you straight to the Edit Profile tab, where you can manage different details on your Whop profile. On this page, you'll see various profile options, but what we want is the location setting. So don't worry if you have to scroll a little to find it. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Under the More Details section, locate the Location option. This is the setting that controls whether your city or country appears on your public profile. To hide it, simply toggle the switch on the right to the off position. It only takes a second. Once you turn it off, Whop will automatically save your preference. You do not need to hit a separate save button. Right away, your location will change to location hidden on your public profile, and other users will no longer be able to see where you are based. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your location on your Whop profile. It's a quick privacy tweak, but it can make a big difference if you want to keep more of your personal information private while still using the platform. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.